Fasting, a practice of abstaining from food for a specified period, has gained popularity as a means of achieving weight loss and improving overall health. Fasts can vary in duration, from short 16-hour fasts to more extended 24-hour or longer fasts. People choose to fast for a variety of reasons, including weight management and the potential health benefits associated with it. Short-term fasting involves refraining from eating for a specific window of time, typically between dinner and the next day's lunch. During this period, the body goes without calorie intake, which triggers various physiological responses. These responses depend on the duration of the fast, and they range from utilizing stored glycogen for energy to transitioning into a state called ketosis, where the body begins to burn fat for fuel. Fasting has been adopted as a weight management strategy by many because it can help create a calorie deficit, leading to weight loss. By not consuming food for certain hours or days, individuals reduce their overall calorie intake, which may contribute to shedding excess pounds. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and continue this video by typing "I am healthy" in the comments below. The human body's response to fasting can be explained in terms of metabolic shifts and energy utilization. When you abstain from eating for approximately 12 to 16 hours, your liver's glycogen stores are depleted. Glycogen is a stored form of glucose, which is the body's primary source of energy. Once glycogen stores are used up, the body adapts by switching from glucose to fat as its primary energy source. This metabolic shift is known as ketosis. Ketosis is a state where the liver breaks down stored fat into molecules called ketones, which are used for energy by various tissues and organs. During ketosis, the body becomes efficient at burning fat, which can contribute to weight loss. Additionally, ketosis can have various effects on the body, including reduced hunger and improved mental clarity for some individuals. While fasting has been associated with weight loss and potential health benefits, it's important to remember that individual responses may vary. The extent to which your body reacts to fasting depends on factors such as your metabolism, dietary habits, and overall health. Weight loss is a primary goal for many individuals who adopt fasting as a dietary strategy. Fasting can be an effective means of creating a calorie deficit, which is essential for shedding excess pounds. When you abstain from eating for a specific period, your body relies on its energy stores, primarily glycogen and fat, to sustain itself. One of the key mechanisms behind weight loss during fasting is the reduction in calorie intake. By skipping meals or restricting eating windows, you naturally consume fewer calories. As a result, your body turns to its energy reserves, primarily fat, to meet its energy demands. This process can lead to a gradual reduction in body weight over time. Moreover, fasting may have additional benefits for weight loss beyond calorie restriction. It can help improve insulin sensitivity, regulate blood sugar levels, and enhance fat oxidation. These factors contribute to a more favorable environment for fat loss. It's important to note that while fasting can be an effective tool for weight management, individual results may vary, and it's crucial to adopt a balanced and sustainable approach to diet and lifestyle for long-term success. Fasting offers a range of potential health benefits beyond weight management. Scientific research has indicated that fasting may positively impact various health markers. These benefits can extend to aspects such as blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and blood sugar control. Additionally, fasting may influence the production of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which plays a role in brain health and mental clarity. Studies have shown that fasting can lead to improvements in blood pressure by reducing hypertension, which is a significant risk factor for cardiovascular diseases. Furthermore, fasting can have a positive impact on cholesterol levels by lowering harmful LDL cholesterol and increasing beneficial HDL cholesterol. Blood sugar regulation is another area where fasting shows promise. Fasting can enhance insulin sensitivity, potentially reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. When your body becomes more responsive to insulin, it can more effectively regulate blood glucose levels, preventing spikes and crashes. In conclusion, fasting offers a range of potential benefits, including weight loss and various health improvements. However, it may not be suitable for everyone, and individual responses can vary. Before embarking on any fasting regimen, it's advisable to seek guidance from a healthcare professional to ensure it aligns with your specific health and lifestyle considerations. Remember that fasting should be done in a balanced and safe manner, and staying hydrated during fasting periods is crucial to overall well-being.